Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to use Capcut application. So first thing is you need to go to the Google Play Store and download the Capcut application. Search the Capcut app and you need to download it. As you can see, I already have the application downloaded and it needs to be updated. I'm just gonna leave it as it is and then open the Capcut on your phone device. Once you open that, you need to allow Capcut to access your camera roll. This allows you to insert the video clips you want to edit. Once that is done, you need to tap on the new project. Then select the photo or the video that you want to edit in here. So first thing is you need to know your workspace. Capcut directs you to your primary workspace after you upload your first clip. This is where you will spend most of your time in editing. From top to bottom, there's a preview panel, timeline and toolbar as well. This is the top half of your screen and it displays a preview of what your edited video clip will look like. There's a timeline and toolbar. These are the bottom half of your screen. The timeline is below the preview panel and is where you will perform your edits. The toolbar at the very bottom of your screen contains all your editing tools like split, audio, text, sticker, effect and more. You select the video. If you want to add more, you can tap on that plus icon and you will be able to add a extra video that you want to add up. When you're not selecting any video, you will see all these options below. If you select it, you will have a particular option for you to make the changes in the video. The split, speed, animation, style, delete, camera trickling and all the other options where you can make changes on your video and all the edited video will be shown for you as well. It will be a very long video if I started explaining each and every step in here. So you can just go through one by one and you will be easily able to make the changes over here. Select the video and first option is split. To split a clip in two, drag the timeline until the playhead is over. Tap that and there you need to tap on split. This will split the video to two halves. Now if you go to the option speed, tap that. Here there's normal and curve. If you tap that, you can choose the speed of your video that you want. Speeding or slowing down a clip is popular feature that many people use for the TikTok. Something to keep in mind when slowing down a clip is that it may affect the quality of your video depending on the frame rate of your original clip. This is the one. If you tap on curve, it will vary the speed throughout different part of your clip. Tap on any of pre-made template Capcut provide over here on the bottom or create your own curve as well. If you tap on that, you can see the edits will be the custom made on Capcut. Now going back, there's the animation option. This is just the animation and all the template will be available. You just tap that and the changes will be in the video itself. Tap on the tick mark or the animation that you have added gets saved. You can also delete this section if you do not want it on the video. You can extract the original audio and also remove that audio and input a different audio for this video. This is the extracted video in the below. You can delete it and or you can add a new sound effect for your video as well. So there are blurring effect, graph, freeze, reverse as well. You can reverse the video completely in here. You can replace them as well, overlay them. So this is a few things in Capcut that you can do. In the Capcut, there is template option as well. This is mostly popular for the TikTok videos. You can tap and upload the video and that template will be used on your video as well and you can directly share it to your TikTok account as well. So this is a basic how you can use a Capcut video. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.